My name is Michael. I've been seeing Dr. Boris for about a year now, and he has been a very intelligent and comprehensive doctor. I'm absolutely thrilled at how he's helped me. I came in for a number of different problems and used non-conventional methods that have almost miraculous. They helped me almost instantaneously. There was some acupuncture, which, you know, that's well known. There were a few other things there were a couple different shots of, he called it was a plant-based type solution, and then a shockwave treatment that helped my hip and my shoulder, and I could feel the difference right away. And this is something that I know that not most doctors don't have, and they're not willing to explore. But Dr. Boris has made the investment, and I went through the process, and it helped tremendously. I had a friend that had the same exact symptoms as mine, and he went to a doctor, and they diagnosed him with, you know, some arthritic problems, which I know mine was. It was more arthritic problems. I can't remember exactly what they did, but he can barely walk now. You know, because of the things that they did to him and didn't do. They really didn't do much. And he could barely walk. And within 6 months, I was completely healed. Maybe 6 treatments in about 3 or 4 months. The results were amazing. I could tell each time that they were helping. So I just kept coming back. I would recommend other people to come out here. It's a unique process, and it's extremely effective. I am extremely particular with my doctors, extremely. I do research on the net. I have friends that I talk to about how things have been done with them and what things have worked and so forth. I've done a lot of research, and this is why I'm here.
How did you find Dr. Boris?
Through the same friend that had the problem with his hip that went bad. His insurance wouldn't cover this, otherwise he would be doing it. If I were to give advice to him, I would say just pay the cash. It's worth it. Now look, you could hardly walk. Your whole life is a disaster because you wanted to go through your insurance to a conventional doctor who didn't do jack for him. He needs a hip replacement, and he's scheduled to have a hip replacement. I paid hardly anything compared to hip replacement. Hardly anything at all. I would recommend anybody to call me.